Hello, Miss Magalang 2026
Hello
candidates.
po.
Can you introduce yourself to our viewers one by one, please?
So, I am Trisha May Miranda from Barangay San Nicolas 2.
Hello, I am Chantal Rain Bertolo Claudio representing Barangay San Pablo.
Hello everyone, this is Rose Ann Bacani Marcelo representing San Francisco.
Alright, officially, Miss Magalang candidates na kayo for 2026. Anong nararamdaman natin?
For now, I'm so grateful kasi dati ko pang pangarap talagang maging part ng Miss Magalang candidate. So ngayon, natupad na yon and I'm so grateful to Barangay, to my SK, Darwin Castro, and also to our Kapitan. Also, Mayora Malu, Paras Lakson, thank you so much po.
Ako, ano ba to? Ah, to be honest, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na candidate na ako dito and hindi ko talaga siya hindi ko talaga expect na makakasali ako kasi there are a lot of candidates out there na nag-try and isa ako sa nakapasok and I'm really grateful for that.
Yeah, same for me actually. It's such a dream to be here with the beautiful, beautiful roster of ladies this year. And I'm so excited for all of the following activities and also for Coronation Night. So we invite everyone to please watch our Coronation Night on August 20. It'll be live streamed on the tourism page of Magalang on Facebook as well as CLTV 36, I believe.
Ayun. You were screened or pre-selected by your barangays for this pageant. Ano naramdaman nyo nung pinili kayo? Sana all pinili.
Ikaw na muna.
Ikaw.
Yung first reaction ko nun, nag-call siya, my SK. Tapos, he tell me na, you want to represent our barangay in Miss Magalang. Then, sure ka? Sabi kong ganyan kasi, hindi pa talaga nagsising in sa akin na ako yung pipiliin niya na mag-represent ng barangay namin. And yun nga, I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to be part of the candidate of Miss Magalang.
To be honest, hindi ko din ina-expect kasi nung first screening anong date yon 21 ba? Nung first screening talaga, nag-e-exam ako, final exam ko, then ni-reach out ako if makakapag-screening ako. Pero sabi ko, hindi na, baka next year na lang po, sabi kong ganyan. And luckily, na-extend po yung screening. And I'm so glad na nakapag-screening ako and nakapasok ako. Yun.
I'm also very thankful to our SK Mark kasi they also gave me the opportunity to represent San Pablo. It's such an honor to be, joining this year's edition of Miss Magalang. And the screening process was very, I would say, competitive kasi napakadaming girls nga na matalino, maganda. Kaya it's so unbelievable that I'm one of the candidates for this year's Miss Magalang.
Ayun. With the milestone at saka yung, I guess, yung, tawag dito, yung impact ng Magalang Pampanga in pageantry. Kasi fourth runner-up kayo, I think, sa Machanica Pampangan 2025. Tapos, Miss Asia Pacific
Pacific pa,
International
yes.
Philippines 2026 na kayo with AG. Does it add pressure to you or does it make you more confident to go further in this competition? Go ahead.
To be honest, it excites me kasi more and more people are recognizing that Magallanes are not only smart and beautiful, but we are capable of representing not only Pampanga but the Philippines on a bigger stage. And I'm so excited to have the same opportunity to hopefully one day represent Magalang on a bigger stage, be it in Mutyaning Kapampangan or any other pageants, and eventually the Philippines as well.
To be honest, magsisinungaling ako if sasabihin kong hindi ako nape-pressure, but I really do feel pressured, but I just want to enjoy the journey and yon ipagmalaki ko yung magalang in a bigger stage. Thank you.
Well, hindi ako nape-pressure, lalo pa ako namomotivate to do this. Kasi iba talaga yung Kapampangan, lalo na yung mga Magalenya. Hindi lang sila maganda, kundi matalino. And also, yung laban nila is, syempre, because of God. Yun pa rin yung una lang. Thank you.
Actually, tatanong ko, bakit walang kamaro dito na? Yung ba ang sikreto ng mga taga-mag-alam? Kaya ganyan kayo kaganda.
Siguro. Siguro yung ulan at yung camera.
Bakit wala kayong dala na? Bakit charot?
Sa susunod.
Dalhan po kita.
Sige, maghuhuli kami ng kamaro.
Ano po bang gusto niyong luto?
Hindi ko alam mga luto kahit ano. Kasi kumakain naman ako sa Thailand, tumasok.
Exotic. Good.
Madaming luto ang kamaro.
Yeah. Meron lutong kamatis.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung gisa siya sa kamatis, tas adobo.
Pwedeng prito.
Yeah.
Pero ikaw, anong paborito nyo? Ayan, one by one na luto ng kamaro.
Favorite ko sa kamaro is yung niluluto siya sa kamatis, yung gisa.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Actually,
Ikaw, ano po?
ganun din po kasi iba kasi yung mga ang tawag dito, yung mga kamatis, sibuyas, yung timpla niya
Yung
talaga.
gisa. Tas
Then,
super crispy niya.
At
Then,
saka yun talaga yung
yes.
lutong kamaro.
True, totoo po.
Kayo, gusto mo rin kamatis?
Yes. Ang mga Magalenyo mahilig sa gulay.
yun.
Because we are agricultural land.
Ah.
Di ba?
Perfect, may pasok siya yun.
Sorry. Rinig na yun. Diba?
Pero sa mga nanonood natin na hindi alam yung kamaro, ano ba siya?
Kamaro is a
Cricket.
type of cricket. So, lumalabas sila tuwing rainy season. Yeah.
Nag-harvest ng palay.
Yes.
Yes.
Farmland sila usually natatagpuan.
natatagpuan.
Yes. And because of the abundance of camaros in Magalang, naging source of livelihood na siya for our farmers. Yeah.
Naging source of income din siya
Yes.
ng mga local farmers since inuhuli nila and sinisell.
Ayun. Speaking of source of income, anong profession nyo ngayon? Ikaw.
I'm currently taking Bachelor of Accounting Information System.
And also, I'm studying at Pampanga State Agricultural, taking hospitality management, and I'm a business owner of clothing.
Ikaw, ano ba?
I'm a graduate of AB Communication from Angeles University Foundation, and I'm currently a marketing specialist, and I work remotely.
And lastly, ano ang mensahe nyo sa mga
Magalenyos.
and mga kapampangan na susuporta sa inyo here at Miss Magalang 2020?
ate, promote mo na.
Ako na ba? First of all, we want to thank everyone who's been supporting Miss Magalang 2026. Definitely this year is one you guys should watch out for kasi the roster of girls, they're all very pretty, smart, and very, very hardworking and dedicated to this journey. So hopefully you guys support the pageant and support the girls. We also want to invite all of you to watch the coronation night on August 20, 2026 at the Magalang Plaza. And we hope to see you all of you guys there as we crown our next Miss Magalang.
See you there!
Ayun, pwede mo mag-ikapampangan mo.
Di ba? Ama nung
Oh my God. Sige. Kaya mo yan.
Kapampangan mo. Or kahit na lang, batiin mo sila kapampangan.
Hello.
Parang ang hirap no, kapag fluent ka sa
Maya
Tagalog.
paggat panapon, tama ba?
Tama.
Maya paggat panapon kaya ko nga, agkatanda kayo po, manalbeking kaya kaming coronation night
Yung
on
Magalang
August
Plaza.
20, 2026 sa Magalang Plaza. See you there!
Di ba? Pero pa din Tagalog.
Yes! Ang hirap magkarampangan.
Yes, hindi ko pa rin alam siya sa 4 na taong ko dito pa.
Di ba? Ang hirap
Isa sa
magdiretso.
pinakamahirap.
Sobrang lalim kasi ng
Malalalim
mga
po
words
kasi yung mga
natin.
words.
Sobrang lalim ng mga words kasi.
But anyway, thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you so much
We
po.
have our candidates sa Miss Magalang 2026 and good luck sa Miss Magalang.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
po.